everything for them and make we hold them hostage.
Can't leave the country. Stop order. If he pull up at any airport, them flag him.
Yeah, come back. You can't move.
Good afternoon, Robert. How can I help you this afternoon, sir? Robert, good afternoon.
You hear me, Jay?
Yes, man, your time. Go ahead.
You think I want to know, is it? Why you want to know what the poll? How much I say poll there?
You want to know about where the poll is?
Yes, Jay, that I want to know.
Alright, me now I'm going to tell you, I'm going to make you listen it for yourself, alright?
Right, because boy, I thought it's me there, you know.
Alright, me go and play. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. I don't want to say it out. I want people to hear it for themselves. So they can decide. Alright, listen for yourself. Mute on the mic, they listen. Liquid.
Between January 29 and February 13, 1,021 registered voters across all parishes were asked if Jamaica is heading in the right or wrong direction. While 47% said it's the wrong direction, 29% the right direction, and 24% were not sure. It's important to point out that 76% of those who feel the country is heading in the wrong direction say they will be voting for the PNP in the upcoming elections.
You hear it, Robert? Robert, you hear it, sir? Robert, turn on your microphone while me and your reason, you know. Cause me tell you, say me now go tell you me why you hear it yourself. Victor, too much thing are going in your background. I don't want to say it out of my own personal mouth. I want to hear it from the relevant authority. Because I don't want to say a lie, and me this and me a propagandist. I go and play it again.
13.
Let me play it again.
Between January 29 and February 13, 1,021 registered voters across all parishes were asked if Jamaica is heading in the right or wrong direction. While 47% said it's the wrong direction, 29% the right direction, and 24% were not sure. It's important to point out that 76% of those who feel the country is heading in the wrong direction say they will be voting for the PNP in the upcoming elections.
Alright? So, I don't want nobody pass through and say a proper 76% of the people them will say the country are run in the wrong direction. 76% of them say they will be voting for the People's National Party. And 24, you don't need no eyeglass. If 76% say them are going to vote for the PNP, then automatically only 24 of them are going to vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. So, with that said, 7 minutes to the hour of 1 o'clock. I'm hungry and I want to wrap up the program by 1 o'clock. Victor Sinclair, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Victor Sinclair. Can you turn on your microphone? Waste of time. You have to go. You cannot stay here, Victor. Robert? Robert, you there? But Robert, me no understand you, Robert. You call the program, you say you want to clear up about the percent. You look like... me no understand. You call... You want to hear some information. As soon as me get the information, you can't talk. My name is undercover labor right, you know, Robert. Big up yourself, Jeffrey. Make we talk TV. Blessings, blessings, sir. Yes. Yes, man. Me not understand Robert. Robert called me for ask information. And that's why me specifically say me now go tell you, me want you listen it for yourself. And as soon as me play so that you can hear it for yourself. No mute, no quiet. Maybe you is an undercover labor, right? Alright, Robert, you have to go. You cannot stay here, alright? Yeah, man, have a wonderful afternoon. One chop. Let me try see if I can take.
Them send him
Have to go. Have to go, man. You cannot stay, Robert. I shock them, shock, you know. Shock them, shock. 40% of Jamaicans say the country is not going in the right direction. And out of that 40%, 76% of the people them we say the country not going right will be voting for the people's. I know me say so TV J Dan Anderson poll. I know me say it, you know. I know me say it at all. But Jamaica, I feel like wrap up the program. But before me wrap up, I'm going to use 5 minutes and just give Jamaica a roll call before me wrap up the program. Yes, I'm going to use the next 5 minutes and do a roll call quick and fast. Me know the people them love the Dre Bryan prediction and roll call. So quick and fast, I'm going to do a roll call. No. I would have used a year say me talk too much. You got to go, you have to come down. Come off of this. You have to go. Kuya. Anyway, roll call Jamaica. PNP have 14 seats now. The Jamaica Labour Party have 49. For the PNP to form government, we need to take 18 seats of the Labour Party 49 seats. So quick and fast, yes, roughly, me I go show you the possible 18 seats where the PNP are going to take away from the Jamaica Labour Party. Quick and fast, boom, 18. We are going to the PNP are going to hold on pan the 14 where them have already. We now lose none of the 14 seats where we sit on pan currently. Alright? And we need to pass 32 to form the government. So the 14 where we have, we need 18 more to reach 32. If we get more than the 32, you know, say I brought that for we. If we get more than the 18, I still brought. So quick and fast, make me show you the path where the PNP are going to take to get the 18 seats from the Jamaica Labour Party. You know, count with me, people. 18 seats we want. Eastern Westmoreland, I go back to the PNP. They not go win the seat. The Daniel Lawrence no do nothing. That a one. So how much more we want? 17. No, count with me, people. Eastern Westmoreland going to the PNP. So out of the 18, we need how many more? 17. No, so thank you. We're going to go in a Central Westmoreland. I mean, no, the PNP are take back Central Westmoreland. So that means that we'll have how many more to flip? 16 more seats. We're going to go in a Western Westmoreland. I mean, no, Ian Eels are going to beat Moreland Wilson. So that is how many more seats we want? 15. We are taking the whole 3 seats in a Westmoreland. So we have 15 more seats to go. Make we jump up there in a Hanover now. Dave Brown are going to lose Eastern Hanover. Right? How many more seats we need? 14. Alright, follow me, class. We are going over to Western Hanover. Tamika Davis is no more. She's going to lose Western Hanover. How much more seats we need now? 13. Make we jump out of Hanover and come to St. James. Out of the 5 constituencies in St. James, PNP pick up 2. At least 2. At least 2.